I'm Aurelie Kalenga. It's day 179 of the lockdown. It's the first day under level 1 lockdown in South Africa today, which means you're now allowed to gather in larger numbers, you have an extra day to buy booze, and the night curfew's been extended. Last week, President Cyril Ramaphosa announced the easing of lockdown restrictions which have been in place for almost half the year to curb the spread of COVID-19. However, international travel for work and leisure will only be eased from the 1st of next month. 13 more people have died in the country after contracting the coronavirus, bringing the death toll to 15,953. The Health Ministry says 1,555 new infections were picked up over the past day, pushing the number of known cases in South Africa to 661,000. The recovery rate stands at 89.2%. Now, the National Education, Health and Allied Workers Union is picketing outside the union buildings this morning, demanding answers from Ramaphosa over their working conditions during the pandemic. NEHAW is demanding an 8% salary increase for frontline workers fighting the coronavirus. The union handed over a memorandum to government 2 weeks ago and still hasn't received a response. Meanwhile, the much-awaited decision on the fate of Gauteng Health MEC Bandile Masuku is expected today after the ANC's Provincial Executive Committee met at the weekend. The party's been grappling with a decision on Masuku's future after allegations that he influenced the awarding of a 125 million rand contract to a company owned by the husband of the presidential spokesperson, Kusela Diko. And finally, the iconic Taj Mahal in India has reopened its doors to visitors after 6 months, the longest it's ever been shut. It will operate from this morning under strict coronavirus guidelines. For more on the pandemic, you can go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel.